Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and this quick unboxing of this Wishdoit. Let's just call it a diver watch. I won't do the name they said on their AliExpress store. Wishdoit might be one of the worst names I have heard on a watch, by the way. But I saw this watch over at Wishdoit's channel and I got so intrigued that I had to order one. We have a cleaning cloth with the logo and name, Wishdoit. We have a warranty card that is not filled in. We have the watch and we have something else. Packaging, very cheap. Well, it did its job. It protected it. And what do we have here? We have a link adjustment tool. Focus. A teeny tiny link adjustment tool. Cool. But this is what we're looking for. Now this is gonna be interesting because this is kind of an homage and kind of not. The watch itself is, well, a Zodiac Sea Wolf, but the Sea Wolf, as far as I know, do not come in this colorway. So they even branded the plastic. That's a new one from AliExpress. And there's a lot of plastics, so I'll be right back. And we are back. Now this watch was $65 on sale. Now I think it's up to like $120, something like that. They're branded plastic. That's cool. I've only seen that on more expensive brands. And here we have the watch itself. Now, like I said earlier, it's very Super Sea Wolfy, isn't it? But I don't think that Zodiac has this colorway. It's an NH35 powered watch. I will soon do some measurements because if I insert a screenshot of their store, you can see that it's quite confusing, the information they give you. But before the dimensions was my first impressions, it looks great. I'll even enter some macro here just to show you how nice the dial and bezel insert looks. It's really, really good. And speaking of bezel, how does it feel? It feels surprisingly good. Ceramic bezel insert, oh, that's a bit jaggedy. In certain positions, quite a bit of backplay, and in certain positions, no backplay. Bit of a sharp edge there. There you see where the saving on money, but a fairly nice chamfer, decent brushing, a bracelet that looks solid but doesn't really feel solid, so I don't know what they've done there. But it's brushing on the top, polishing on this side, a nice clasp that is even branded. No on the fly micro adjust, but for $65, like. And they have this kind of weird inside micro adjust that I never really understood how it works, so I need to find out. So dimensions, the website said 40 to 44 millimeters. I measure the case to 38.6 millimeters, and the bezel protrudes about a millimeter, so 39.6. Ceramic bezel insert, thickness, I'm not removing that on camera, guys, no way. 12 millimeters, that's pretty good. Including that is a sapphire, Witt confirmed that on his channel. Air coating, who knows? The clarity looks actually really good for such a cheap sapphire crystal. And all in all, I'm impressed. That's even a loomed minutes track, which I will show off in the full review. Nice summary watch. And I think, yeah, lug to lug 47.5, but we have male end links. So with those end links we have a 53, but those curved decently, so let's see how it wears on my roughly 17 centimeter wrist. Push pins, hence the push pin tool. Weird clasp actually. This feels not like solid steel. I understand what it meant now. Feels too smooth and too polished. It is branded. That's not stainless steel, can't be. The rest of it is, but the clasp itself must be some kind of alloy. Okay, let's put on wrist. A lot of links to remove from my 17cm wrist. But this is how it's gonna wear, and I dare say the bracelet protrudes a bit. It would be interesting to see if I can find another Ali bracelet that will fit. Please guys tell me in the comments if you know. But that's not too bad, is it? Nice, very vibrant, summery, cool little watch. Review coming up when I have tested it out for a couple of weeks. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, please subscribe, please stay safe. If you have gotten this far, please check out the video down here. And until next time, take care and bye bye.